अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी सॉल्व पास्ट पेपर फॉर असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर। जैसा कि आप सबको पता है 6 दिसंबर को असिस्टेंट इलेक्शन कमिश्नर का पेपर होने जा रहा है। तो पास्ट पेपर्स अहम होते हैं, उनको आप लाजमी तौर पर रिवाइज़ करके जाएं। आज हम जिस पेपर को रीड करने वाले हैं उसका फर्स्ट MCQs है। Leaders of all parliamentary groups in National Assembly approved the draft of Constitution of 1973 in October 1972. The National Assembly approved the draft of 1973 Constitution on 10th of April 1973. President of Pakistan gave his assent to the 1973 Constitution on 12th of April 1973. The Constitution of 1973 was enforced in the country on 14th of August 1973. Under the 1973 Constitution, the statesman who was sworn in as President of Pakistan was Fazl Ilahi. The Constitution of 1973 is a written document and comprises of 12 parts and 280 articles. The Constitution of Pakistan can be amended by two-thirds majority of both houses. Chapter 1 of the 1973 Constitution deals with fundamental rights. According to 1973 Constitution, if a person is detained under the federal law, a board will be appointed by Chief Justice of Supreme Court. According to the 1973 Constitution, every citizen has a right to acquire property in anywhere in Pakistan. Part 2 of the 1973 Constitution deals with principles of policy which are manifesto of national objectives. The Constitution of 1973 provides that the state would endeavour to preserve and strengthen relations with Muslim countries. Part 3 of the 1973 Constitution deals with Federation of Pakistan and consists of 100 articles. The minimum age condition for the President of Pakistan in the 1973 Constitution is 45 years. According to the 1973 Constitution, the President of Pakistan would be elected by members of the Parliament. The tenure of the President's office is 5 years. However, he can be removed from office on the grounds of mental incapacity or misconduct by two-thirds or total membership of Parliament. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Where is, a, where is the greatest and longest wall of the earth? China. Where is Leaning Tower of Pisa located? In Italy. Who presented theory of relativity? Einstein. When Dr. Abdus Salam received Nobel Prize in 1979, penicillin was discovered by Fleming. What is the actual time of rotation of Earth? 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Olympics 2000 took place in which city? Sydney. Who was the first president of Muslim League? Sir Agha Khan. Who is the president of India? Current president of India is Draupadi Murmu. Ban Ki-moon belongs to which country? South Korea. Brief History of Time is written by Stephen Hawking. What is black hole? Hypothetical region in space. Which are the two gases that we exhale more than we inhale? Oxygen and carbon. What is agoraphobia? Fear of open places or public places. How many members are there in European Union? 27. OIC came into existence in 1969. How many states are there in USA? 50. SAARC headquarters is in Kathmandu. Friends Not Masters is written by General Ayub Khan. Total members of the Commonwealth 53. In 1946, who presented Poor Man's Budget? Liaquat Ali Khan. Allama Iqbal delivered Khutbah al-Abad on in October 1930. UNO established on 24th of October 1945. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice located? In Hague. Hijrat-e-Medina was took place in 622 AD. Total number of Ghazwat 27. Surah without Bismillah, Surah Tawbah. Anarkali is written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. Raja Git is written by Banu Qudsiya. How many lines are there in Musaddas? 6. Shikwa Iqbal's famous poem is in which book? Bangi Dara. Hajj was performed by the Holy Prophet peace be upon him on 10 Zilhajj. Shahnama-e-Islam was written by Hafiz Jalandhari. Origin of Species is written by Charles Darwin. Partition of Bengal took place in 1905 and annulment of Bengal took place in 1911. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Which poet was famous for Masnavi? Mir Hassan. Muhammad Iqbal's first book in Persian, Israr-e-Khudi. Colorado is a river which flows in USA. Congo River is located in Africa. The Lal Sohandra National Park is located near Bahawalpur. The Grand Trunk Road was built by Sher Shah Suri. Farisi movement was started by Haji Shariatullah in Bengal in 1818. During the Mughal period, which one of the following traders first came to India? Portuguese. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage at the expense of the state was Akbar. The greatest fort of Pakistan, that is Rani Kot Fort, is situated near the city Jamshoro. Gandhara art is related to Texla. 1 pound per foot is equal to 1.488 per meter. When was the first agreement signed on Siachen Glacier? 1949. Buddhist Emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? Maurya. State of Kashmir was purchased by Gulab Singh for 7.5 million rupees. Shah Abdullah and Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas launched freedom movement in Kashmir, which resulted to the first battle of freedom fought in 1930. When American Congress appointed George Washington Commander-in-Chief of American Untrained Army in 1775. Name the first Muslim who was appointed as Hakam. Saad bin Muaz. Name the first person who declared his conversion to Islam emphatically. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Indian Councils Act was introduced in 1909. Quaid-e-Azam became the member of Legislative Council from Bombay in 1909. Delhi Darbar, King and Queen of British visited India. Partition of Bengal was annulled in 1911. Bhutto stepped in as the President and Civilian Chief Martial Law Administrator of Pakistan on 20th of December 1971. Land reforms were announced by PPP regime on 1st of March 1972. Fill in the blanks. Working under the pressure of time, Raza did not notice his rapidly or carelessly mistake. I do not care a fig for him. You must score at least passing marks. Tick the synonyms. Mediocre, average. Precarious, hazardous. Tick the antonyms. Friendly, hostile. Progressive, retrograde. Liverpool is situated on the bank of Mersey River. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. लार्जेस्ट कौन सा है? अमेज़ॉन. और लॉन्गेस्ट नाइल है. नेम द एमिनेंट लीडर ऑफ पाकिस्तान मूवमेंट हु इन 1949 took over as the first governor of Punjab and later on became the president of Pakistan Muslim League. Abdul Rab Nishtar. What do you understand? What do you understand by en route, on the way? Name the American president who had to resign when it became clear that he was about to be impeached and convicted by Congress. Richard Nixon. Michelangelo was a famous artist. Where would you find the Sea of Galilee? In Israel. Sayyid Ahmed Shahid was martyred at Balakot in 1831. Urdu was declared as official language in 1832. Which is the highest peak of Himalayan range in Pakistan? Nanga Parbat. Who said these words? Man without society is either beast or God. Aristotle. Who said a thing of beauty is a joy forever? John Keats. Who said man is a social animal? Aristotle. Nobel Prize was first awarded in the year 1901. Where is the headquarters of European Economic Community located? In Brussels.